Hey guys, I'm Brett Johnson, Lab Manager at Superfici America. Today we're going to show you on the Mini Plus how to thread the paper back through in the event that the paper breaks and is pulled all the way through the spray machine. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the side shields out of the sprayer. It is possible to thread it through underneath these side shields, but it does increase the chances of it ripping, so the easiest, safest way is to remove these. Okay, so this is your paper break alarm. We'll show you in a second the paper break sensor underneath. When the paper breaks, the bar falls down and trips the sensor, and then will give us this alarm here. Once we've done the work and fixed it, we're going to be able to clear this alarm and we'll be able to start back. When the paper is installed correctly, this bar is going to ride above it. When the paper breaks, it causes the bar to fall, thus tripping the sensor and giving you the alarm, stopping the machine. So before we thread the paper back through, the easiest thing is to just remove the bar and put it back in when you're done. So what we're going to do is we're going to thread this paper. We're going to go back behind this bar here, this bar and this roller. We're going to go back behind this roller here and then back onto the top of our sprayer. All right. So then we're going to tape it to our conveyor belt. We're going to reconnect the air to our take-up roll, or else it's going to continually alarm saying that we have no air back there. Okay, we're going to go in here, we're going to clear our alarms. Then we're going to go in here to conveyors. We're going to start our conveyor. We're going to pull the paper on through. We'll reconnect our air supply. Now we will go to manual cycle on our control panel and wrap itself up. Now we're going to reinstall our photo brake bar. Again, it rides over the paper. And then we'll reinstall our side shields.